God, it's been one hell of a hectic morning. Okay, but anyways, we're moving. It's moving day. We're leaving our house today. Currently, I'm waiting for the moving truck. I'm gonna fucking tell you guys how my friggin' day went, because I need for you guys to understand my level of angerness right now. And now this next friggin' set of people that I'm hired are pissing me off again because they don't understand directions. So me not paying them extra. Me not paying anybody extra today. But my savageness is on 1 millionth today. Okay, yeah, like. Right there, so I just know them are moving now. What am I do right there? So look where the entrance of the building is, all the way down here, and look which part them there. Them feel like a idiots. See my mother down there, so and I can see her right there, so she'll wait for them and see them here. Like how? From all the way over there, them are gonna carry everything over there, so like them fool. So it's Friday, April the 28th, yes, and I've been with my mom. Me and my mom have been on the road all day. I've been helping her move just some of the smaller stuff like me and my sister have been doing all week long, so like everything is pretty much moved out. And then yeah, so let me just show you guys really quick what it looks like. Dead flowers, yeah, everything I saw. Okay, everything is gone. Yeah. My mom is like, Zoe, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, everywhere is empty. Yup. Bathroom. Empty. My room. Empty. And then my mommy's room, which all of this stuff is going to be leaving right now, so it's about to be empty as well. So yeah guys, I'm currently eating because I'm not really eating all day, so I will catch up with you guys later. Mommy's having Chinese and I'm having Greek. Thumbs up if you guys like Greek food. I love chicken souvlaki. Like, I know good Greek salad with some tzatziki sauce. Girl. But anyways, I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. This is the next day. I did not get to finish off yesterday with the vlog. But anyways, I'm back at the house. This is what we're looking at right now. This is the living room. This is what's left of it. Nothing, God. Nothing much. You see the kitchen, everything gone. Yeah, you. Everything gone. Alright, we just pretty much have to clean up. Oh, God. Mommy's room. Shoot. Mom's room. You know, that's like super sad, but it was time. And then in the next clip, maybe you'll see the next apartment or the journey there, but I'm gonna take some stuff and go over there. So yeah, when we reach, I'll show you guys mom's new place. I wish I got to show you empty, but yeah, it was a hectic day. Hey guys, so it's about 1,000 years, well not years, but hours later. Yeah. So yeah, let me show you mom's new apartment. Okay, so you walk in, this is the door. You walk in, and the first thing is her kitchen. Up. And then right here you have a storage. Right here in the hallway you have a storage thing. Okay, then you come, you turn, okay, and then you got her living room with her stupid granddaughter in there. This we had to move here because we only get the key till Tuesday, but as you guys know, this is coming to my house. Yeah, I think I'm gonna steal this too. But yeah, you know, yeah. And then you have one next storage closet right here. So I love this one because it's special. It's very ginormous. Very ginormous. Right? Little walk-in closet. But then look, boom. Oh! You don't even have to touch anything. The light comes on. Whoa! Talk about censored. Okay. That's the upgrade 2017. Then luckily my mom has a balcony. I don't really want to show you guys too much of the balcony because if I show y'all where she lives, you and Serrano here might know. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, this is the kitchen. She has a lot of like cabinets and stuff like that. You guys, my mom is never home, so she don't really need one wally for space or whatever. Here, heading into the other hall, you got another storage closet in here. And then you got another one in here. Wow, I feel. And then you got the bathroom. You know, we still got to clean it up and stuff like that. Yeah, you. And then her room. What about me?
It's more than me. No matter what we are a family. This dream, this world can be real. And if you can't now, how you feel, it's more than you. It is more than me.
Yeah, Dreamgirls is on right now, so but yeah, anyways, this is mommy's bedroom. I was just here trying to unpack some stuff for her. You know, we got this going on here a little bit. You know, she has a lot of space, and my mom has a lot of stuff that she does not use. Like this, I'm gonna take because she don't use it. This is so funny. It's so funny. Me and my sister were talking about this today because we were looking for gold dresses, and she was like, "Mom already has one. She can wear it." There's a reason why I refuse. But anyhow, that is mom's new place. I am leaving now. I spent too much time here already. So I just wanted to come back in and share that with you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. We're a family, like a giant tree, branching up towards the sky. We are a family. We are so much more than just you and I. We are a family. We are a giant tree, growing stronger, growing wiser. We are growing free. You. We are a family. Yeah, I think I should cut. Anyways, we out. Bye, guys. April 30th, and I'm at work currently, so I'm setting up for a baby shower right now. If you guys don't know, I do decorating. Yeah, I do decorating, loot bag, event, party planning shit and stuff like that. So I'm setting up for my friend's sister's baby shower. And yeah, so I didn't do the draping or the setting up of the head table, but I can. But I did do the balloon arch. Yeah, you. Oh, grrr. So that is the setup for this. I absolutely love it. It's I think it's a gender reveal baby shower because she doesn't know what she's having as of yet. And then for the tables, I did the centerpieces, the basket with the teddy bears, and the balloon inside the balloon. Yeah. So that's the setup. I just thought I'd take you guys to work with me for today for a little bit. Yeah, I was gonna record me putting up and everything like that, but a lot happened in a short amount of time, and I was bleeding and all that type of extra stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna fix my arch because my pattern isn't exactly the way it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna do that, and then come back to you guys. Okay, bye.
Hey, give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. Oh, chimney, chimney.
I like it.